How many people are there in the world now? As of 2024, the world population is around 8.119 billion people. It just exceeded 8 billion in 2023, and it keeps growing. Especially over the last 100 years. The population has increased significantly due to advances in medicine and improvements in living conditions. Wow, why is it increasing so much? There are a few reasons for that. The first reason is a high birth rate. In countries like those in Africa and South Asia, women often have many children. Cultural and religious values influence this, and in many regions, having large families is considered a positive thing. I see. So culture and values also play a role. What else? The second reason is advances in medicine. With medical technology improving, infant mortality rates have dropped significantly, and life expectancy has increased. The spread of vaccines and access to clean water have also saved many lives. Yeah, medicine is really important. Is there another reason? The third reason is immigration. More people are moving to other countries due to war, poverty, and natural disasters. When they settle in a new country and start families, it can also lead to population growth there. That makes sense. But doesn't population growth also cause some problems? Exactly. While a larger working population can boost economic growth, it also leads to shortages of resources like food, water, and energy. This can be especially severe in areas with limited resources, leading to food and water shortages. What kind of specific problems can happen? For example, excessive deforestation can harm the environment, and water shortages can become critical. In areas with very high population density, it can also be challenging to maintain infrastructure like roads, schools, and hospitals. Urban overcrowding can lead to traffic congestion and air pollution too. Are there any countries where the population is decreasing instead? Yes. Countries like Japan and Germany are experiencing population decline. This is due to low birth rates and a growing elderly population. What problems arise when there are more elderly people? When there are fewer working-age people, the economy can slow down, and the burden on pension systems and healthcare increases. There's also a shortage of caregivers for the elderly, and rural areas especially struggle to maintain public services. That sounds tough. What can be done to balance the population better? Expanding education and making it easier for women to work is essential. Better education often leads to people having children later, and choosing smaller families. Supporting women's career development also helps. Are there any other measures? Yes. Accepting immigrants to increase the workforce, and creating policies that support parenting, such as expanding daycare centers and parental leave, can be effective. Reviewing pension and healthcare systems is also important. I see. Population issues are really complex and important. Thank you. I learned a lot.